The bigger they are, the faster they fall. On April 20th of 2024, severe thunderstorms crept across the Carolinas. Hail measuring up to 4 inches in diameter fell from the sky, damaging everything in its path. These folks in Rock Hill, South Carolina could only watch as their cars were ripped to shreds. According to the National Weather Service, it's possible for hailstones exceeding 4 inches in diameter to fall over 100 miles per hour. The stones in Rock Hill that day fit that description. That's why nobody could go outside to move their car. Imagine an MLB pitcher throwing a fastball, except that fastball is a 4-inch chunk of ice. It's likely the last thing you'd ever want to get hit with. Carolina weather experts said they hadn't seen stones this large in a quarter century. The hail ripped siding off houses, damaged roofs and trees, and did a number to people's cars. Hopefully, they all had decent insurance. Tung County, China is a mountainous region in eastern Guangxi province. It's home to roughly 1.1 million people who have learned to live with Mother Nature's unpredictability.